If your money disappears every month and you genuinely don't know where it goes, this video is going to fix that. I'm not going to give you a complicated spreadsheet. I'm not going to tell you to track every single coffee. I'm going to show you the simplest budget that actually works, even if you've failed at budgeting 5 times before. Here's the truth. Most people aren't bad with money. They just never learned a system that fits how real life works. Studies show that over 60% of adults don't have a written budget, not because they don't want one, but because every budget they've ever tried felt like a punishment. But here's what nobody tells you. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving yourself permission to spend without guilt, because you finally know the numbers work. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 4 things. 1. Why every budget you've tried before has failed. 2. The simplest budgeting framework that takes 15 minutes to set up. 3. Exactly how to apply it to your real income with a step-by-step example. 4. The one mistake that wrecks 90% of beginner budgets. No spreadsheets required. Let's get into it. Before we build your budget, you need to understand why the last ones failed, because if you don't, you'll fail again. There are 3 reasons beginner budgets collapse. First, they're too restrictive. If your budget says no eating out, no entertainment, no fun, you'll quit within 2 weeks, every single time. That's not a willpower problem. That's a design problem. Second, they're too complicated. If your budget has 27 categories and a spreadsheet with 3 tabs, you'll stop updating it. The best budget is the one you'll actually use. Third, they have no flexibility. Life happens. Cars break down, friends get married, your dog needs surgery. A budget without breathing room is a budget that breaks. The framework I'm about to show you fixes all 3. It's simple, it's flexible, and it's been used by millions of people. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule splits your monthly take-home pay, that's your income after taxes, into 3 buckets. 50% goes to needs. These are the things you have to pay no matter what. Rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, minimum debt payments, transportation to work. 30% goes to wants. This is the part most budgets get wrong. Wants aren't just luxuries. They're the things that make life feel like yours. Eating out, streaming subscriptions, hobbies, new clothes, travel. The reason this rule works is because it gives you permission to spend on wants without guilt. And 20% goes to savings and extra debt payments. This is the bucket that builds your future. Emergency fund, retirement, paying off credit cards faster than the minimum. That's it. 3 buckets, 50, 30, 20. Now let me show you exactly how this works with real numbers. Let's say you take home $3,500 a month after taxes. 50% of $3,500 is $1,750. That's your needs budget. 30% is $1,050. That's your wants. And 20% is $700. That goes to savings. Now here's the powerful part. Once you've spent your $1,050 on wants, that's it for the month. No guilt, no tracking individual coffees. You spent within your bucket, you're done. Here's the mistake that wrecks 90% of beginner budgets, and it has nothing to do with math. The mistake is trying to be perfect on month 1. The first month of any budget is messy. You'll go over in some categories. You'll forget expenses. That's not failure. That's data. Month 1 is for tracking. Month 2 is for adjusting. By month 3, you'll have a budget that actually fits your life. Here's exactly what to do this week. 1. Open your banking app and find your last month of statements. 2. Calculate your 50-30-20 numbers. Phone notes are fine. 3. Pick 1 needs expense, 1 wants expense, and 1 savings goal to focus on this month. 4. Check in with yourself in 2 weeks, not to judge, just to see what's working. That's the whole system. 15 minutes of setup. No spreadsheets, no apps, no guilt. Quick recap. Budgets fail when they're too restrictive, too complicated, or too rigid. The 50-30-20 rule fixes all 3 by splitting your take-home into needs, wants, and savings. Start messy, track for a month, adjust as you go. If this helped, subscribe for more straightforward money education without the hype. And drop a comment with the one budget category you struggle with most. I read them all. See you in the next one.